Hey everyone, Bill Diet here. Here we are at the that time of month again. Sorry, I'm moving just in my camera there. That time of month, not the time of month for women, but the time of month where my ProFi Box has arrived. So this is the ProFi Box for the month of July. I'm opening it up right here so you can see it. So hopefully, always get good filament. That's not a question. The filament is always great from Filament 1. It's just what's inside, the other things that are inside. So this month, a pair of cutters. I've got like eight pairs of cutters, but that because like every time you order a printer or buy a printer kit, you get a new pair of cutters as well. I'm not sure how good these are. It says Plato. I don't know who Plato is or what Plato brand is, but it says for copper wire, so don't use it on anything other than copper, which means it's good for soft metal, not hard metal. In other words, don't try and cut this piece of brass right here because it will dull it or even break the blade. A small stroop waffle sample, the waffle of the 3D printing community, stroop waffles. All right, so the filaments for the month. We have, this is a brown. It is Filament 1's Pro Select, it's a red. Glint red. Pro Select Glint red. Sorry, but it looks more of a brown, a rusty brown color to me than it does a red, but okay. It's Glint red. So, those are my big stack. I got quite the stack of filament here in my room. This will all be being moved down to my garage. And so it says right here, this month's filament is Pro Select Glint Red and Pro Select White Aluminum. We'll see how the aluminum works out because I always have trouble getting a good silver. I end up having to paint things silver all the time. And I prefer not to have to paint if I don't have to. So, of course, our good friend Tom Jackson, Filament Frenzy sticker inside the ProFi Box. And then the Filament 1 Glint Aluminum, or White Aluminum, sorry, not Glint. So it's White Aluminum. So Pro Select White Aluminum for the month. So that's it for the month. There's a 40% off ASA filament that's on the enclosed pamphlet. I don't know if you can read that or not. I can't read it because I have my reading glasses on and it's too far away for me to read with it from this distance. So it says this month's discount is 40% off ASA filament. Use code 8MF5414J42YY. And there's a group project, and it gives you, it says filament1.com/PB-July19, and so you can go there and get the project for the month. And that covers the entire box for the month of July. I love the filament personally. So far I've not had a problem with any of their filament. I have a roll of the Glint Green sitting on my printer ready to print, but I've been having other things going on. As I've said in a previous video, I'm building an animatronic Raven, which I need to get done for Halloween, so there's only so much time before that happens. Even though it seems like it's a little far in advance, I have other things that will be going on. Like next week is Comic-Con, and I have my Comic-Con ticket, 4 days plus the preview night. My wife will join me on the one day on Thursday of next week. So I will be taking Thursday and Friday off from work and going to Comic-Con. I have other friends that I will meet there, that like one's coming from Nevada, and him and his wife are coming. They will join me there, and I will see them there. And plus a few other friends that I have that are actually in the comic industry, who I will meet up with and shoot the breeze with and stuff like that. I have one friend that does the cover art for Marvel Comics, and another friend that does a lot of work for what's the name of that stupid comic? I can't remember the name, but anyway, Eric Bazdula is his name, and I've got a couple of pieces, a couple of pieces of art that I bought from him, so I have those also in my. I don't have them displayed. I have them put away. I need to get them framed and framed nicely so they look good. But I also have art from my other friend, the one that works for Marvel. I have the original art for one of the covers he did for a Comic-Con years ago, and I bought that from him, and I have that framed already, but I don't have it hanging anywhere right now. That'll be a future thing. Anyway, that's it for this week or this month on the Filament 1 ProFi Box. We'll catch you again next month with next ProFi Box, and we'll also catch you next month with the UFO box, which I do every month as well. So have a good one, and we'll talk to you all later.